What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara Gi. We are back with another video, and if you guys read by the title, we are getting into this Drawstring Ponytail by CurlsQueen, and we did our little cute little situation going on in the front. This is a easy, quick style that you can do. I wanted to do this style like right before I was about to go somewhere so that I could show you guys like it's very easy to achieve. I have church at 1, so it's now about to be 11 o'clock, so we're gonna see like just how quick we can do this. And if you guys are watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel because we are on the road to 300K. Shout out to CurlsQueen for sending me this drawstring ponytail to, you know, make it come to life for you guys so you guys can see all you can do with this hair. So this is the bag. It just comes in a pink silk bag. I have the ponytail, and this is what the ponytail looks like. All the details for the hair, of course, is right here, but the curl pattern on it, it just looks really, really cute. Thank you card. So I have another little thing. What is this, like a care kit or whatever? You know, just more information. Also do get a CurlsQueen bag. I love these bags, like CurlsQueen, if y'all are watching this, I love these bags. Like, I use these bags for everything. Like, so many of these little bags. And when I tell you I use these bags, I use these bags. Like, the bag is just so a good material bag. But inside the bag, these bonnets too, really good bonnets. It comes with these bonnets. You can wear them like inside and out. They're silk bonnets. And also this brush, a good detangling brush for natural hair. I absolutely love this brush as well. So they give you everything you basically need in this bag. Like, I love this bag, y'all. Like, I'm gonna keep it for some more stuff because this is actually a really good quality bag. Of course, it is a drawstring, so you do have this drawstring, and then this is what the inside looks like. You have this mini comb at the top and this comb at the bottom. You guys see, this is what the inside looks like. I really was trying to figure out last night how I wanted the front to look, so I did find some inspo on Pinterest. I always do this. I find inspo on Pinterest. I find 3 pictures that I like, and then I kind of try to make it my own or follow whatever style that I like the most. So I was looking at this style. If you guys can see, it's kind of, I was looking at something like this, kind of, so y'all get the gist. I'm trying to do like a rubber band situation in the front, and then kind of probably have a braid on the side, or just do full rubber bands. I'm not sure yet. What you're gonna need for this is some rubber bands, of course. I'm gonna go with the As I Am anti-itch oil. Anti-itch, when I say it like that. Dry itchy scalp, I say anti-itch, well, whatever. I'm gonna go with this oil today by As I Am. I have some edge booster that I'm gonna use. Hopefully it doesn't make my scalp itch. What I'm gonna do first is just moisturize my hair a little bit. I just like to take my pink oil moisturizer by Luster's. And y'all, my mom used to put this in my hair when I was younger, and it's like, you know, when you're going through like all of your little hair stuff, like, what I realized is when you go back to your roots, like what you were brought up on that actually worked, your hair loves it. What I think I'm gonna do is just part the first perimeter of my hair where the styling is gonna be at, and then we'll take it from there, because I'm kind of really still not sure what I'm exactly doing, but you know, yeah. All right, y'all, so I have the front section, and I just put the back in like a little bun so it could be out the way. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so what I ended up doing was I was like, okay, I'm just doing a little braid in the front, and then I'm gonna connect it to just slick up the hair. So that's what I'm doing with this side, and I'm just doing the same thing on the opposite side. I didn't film the opposite side because my camera had died, but it's literally the same thing that I'm doing right here. So for this middle section, I really wanted to do the little rubber band look, but I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. So for the front, I did 4 boxes, and for the back, I did 3 because I want to keep it simple and not be rubber banding all day. And I am just crisscrossing those, as you guys are going to see. It's very, very easy, and it's something that you can do if you guys really do not know how to braid. You can rubber band it out and it still look really, really cute. All right guys, so I have all of this looking right, and now we're just gonna put our hair in a ponytail. I'm just gonna use my Wet Line Extreme. So I'm just taking that Wet Line Extreme and I'm putting it all over my hair and just brushing it up and putting my hair in a bun, and then we are gonna go ahead and clip the drawstring ponytail over the bun. And to ensure that it is very secure, I clip the front and the back, and I like just do the drawstring as tight as I can, and then I take the remainder of the string and twist it around my hair, and then I just secure it in the back with a bobby pin. And I felt like this was like very, very secure. I just changed my clothes. I got this cute little like outfit on for church, but I'm just gonna do the last little bits of this ponytail. So this is the final result for this hair. I really love the way it came out. As you guys can see, like, this is just too cute. And then let me turn around so y'all can see the whole ponytail. But this is just too cute. Like, and it was so easy, and it is 12:20 and I'm gonna be getting church right on time. But this is just extra cute. Like, I really like this. Like, I haven't did like a style like this in a minute, so I'm really loving this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And also do not forget to subscribe, because you know we are on the road to 300k. And if you guys want all the information, all the links, details, and stuff for this hair, you guys already know to click the link down below and shop CurlsQueen. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Gia Babies, we out.